Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry lobster. First, select fresh lobsters, ideally weighing between 1.5 to 2 pounds each for optimal tenderness. Humanely dispatch each lobster by carefully splitting it lengthwise down the middle. Thoroughly clean the lobster, removing the tomali and the dark intestinal vein. Then, cut the lobster into several manageable pieces, ensuring they are uniform in size for even cooking in your wok or large pan. Next, let's create a flavorful stir-fry sauce that will elevate your lobster. In a small bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and a half teaspoon of sesame oil. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of grated fresh ginger for aromatic depth. A pinch of white pepper and a teaspoon of sugar or honey will balance the flavors. Finally, stir in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, mixed with 2 tablespoons of water to create a smooth slurry for thickening. Now for the exciting part, stir-frying the lobster. Heat 2 tablespoons of high smoke point oil, like peanut or vegetable oil, in a large wok or skillet over high heat until shimmering. Carefully add your prepared lobster pieces to the hot oil. Stir-fry for about 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the shells to turn bright red. Then, pour in your delicious stir-fry sauce, tossing everything gently to ensure the lobster is evenly coated. Continue cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes, until the lobster meat is opaque and perfectly tender. To complete your magnificent dish, consider adding some vibrant fresh vegetables, such as sliced bell peppers or crisp snap peas, during the last minute of cooking for added texture and color. Once plated, garnish generously with freshly chopped green onions and a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. Serve your exquisite stir-fry lobster immediately, perhaps alongside a bed of fluffy steamed rice or your favorite noodles. Enjoy this truly special, restaurant-quality meal you've created at home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.